Now that you've used a multimeter and tested your connections, you made sure that they're proper, we're going to go ahead and waterproof our electrical connections with this Edge Seal tape. Now this Edge Seal tape is a non-conductive waterproofing tape that goes over the top of the crimps and the wiring harnesses so that we don't ever have any water get to those connections. What you want to do is you want to slide the edge sealing tape up underneath of the mat, set that right onto the tape, there and there, and keep your wires nice and parallel. Pull the film off of the tape itself, all right, and press everything in and get these wires as parallel as possible. And peel off this portion. Now it's always best when you're doing this part is to start in the center and pull it kind of tight and just lightly tug it into place so that you try not to have very many wrinkles. Now that we've put the edge sealing tape over the top of the crimps, we're going to bond it very, very well with a heat gun, and you just use an adjustable heat gun. It does not need to be very hot so that you don't cook this and fry this up, but you just want it to get warm enough to make a good solid bond. So when I turn this on, we can hold in front of here. It's probably a little hotter than a good blow dryer, and you want to, when you heat this up, you'll actually watch it shrink just a little bit around the crimps themselves. Take your time when you're doing this, because this really is the first line of defense against any water intrusion. In case your floor ever gets flooded out, you want to make sure these connections are very, very well waterproofed. One of the beautiful things about carbonic warm floor heating systems is you can use a pair of scissors or even a utility knife to cut our product. It cuts right through the heating film, right through the copper buses, and makes it very, very simple, much like wrapping paper. So after you've cut the carbonic warm floor heating film and we're on the edge where there is not a wiring harness, it is still very important that you put edge sealing tape on that surface as well, because we have exposed carbon right along the edge where we just cut. So we have a little bit thinner edge sealing tape that goes right on that edge, and then we heat it up with a heat gun as well and make sure that is also bonded and waterproofed.